Good morning, children. Today we are going to study on math. Your chapter is 2, in which exercise is 2.4, that is related with international system, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पद्धति। यानी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पद्धति में हम संख्याओं को कैसे प्रकट करेंगे, कैसे एक्सप्रेस करेंगे, ये इस चैप्टर में एक्सरसाइज में जानना है। फर्स्ट the numbers be divided in three parts. First part is ones, second part is thousand, and third part is million. Millions is divided into three parts: 100 million, 1000 million, and million. 100, 1000, 10,000 and 1000. And ones is in 100, 10 and 1, 0. ये थ्री पार्ट में इसको हम डिवाइड करते हैं और इसमें कुछ एब्रिविएशन, कुछ छोटे छोटे संकेत हैं, सिंबल है, जिसको कि हमें जानना है। जैसे 1 लाख, 1 लाख, 1 लाख को हम कैसे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं? 1 लाख इज 100,000, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 1 crore, 1 crore is equal to what? 10 million, 10 million. And 10 lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. That is equal to 1 million. And 10 crore, 10 crore, 10 crore, that is equal to what? 100 million. 100 million. It is your abbreviation. 1 lakh equal to 100,000. 1 crore equal to 10 million. 10 lakh equal to 1 million. And 10 crore equal to 100 million. We take an example to clarify it. Let a number that is equal to 920040508. Here is a number that is 9200040508. It can be written in this table as first is at 0 to 8, at 10 place it is your 0, at 100 place it is your 5, at 1000 place it is your 0, at 10,000 it is your 4, at 100,000 it is your 0, at million it is your 0, at 10 million it is your 2, and at 100 million that is 9. This number can be written as in 100 million 9, in 10 million that is 2, in million it is your 0, in 100,000 it is your 0, in 10,000 it is your 4, in 1,000 it is your 0, in 100 place it is your 5, in 10 place it is your 0, and in 0 place means 1 place is your 8. Next number you can take it as 2106 990. How can you write it in international system? इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में इसको हम कैसे लिख पाएंगे? फर्स्ट 0 प्लेस इज written as 0, 10 place is for 9, 100 place is for 9, 1000 place is for 6, 10,000 place is for 0, 100,000 place is for 1, and million is for 2. You can write it in this table which is related to international system. How can you write in figure? How can you write it in figure? इसको हम इस तरह से प्रकट कर सकते हैं. Here you can see other numbers. You use this table in each given number. कोई भी दिए हुए नंबर के लिए ये टेबल का हम उपयोग कर सकते हैं. There is a number 452 0 3 2 0. It can be written in international system as in 0 place or 1 place it is your 0, in 10 place it is your 2, in 100 place it is your 3, in 1000 place it is your 0, in 10,000 place it is your 2, in 100,000 place it is your 5, and in million place it is your 4. 2, 4, 6, 7. It is your in under the system of international. ये इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम के अंडर में इसको हम इस तरह से लिख पाएंगे. हाउ कैन यू रिप्रेजेंट इट इन इंडियन सिस्टम? इंडियन सिस्टम में इसको कैसे लिख पाएंगे? तो यू कैन सॉल्व ऑल द गिवन नंबर in international system. In exercise, you can take a question as one. Question 1. You can represent in international system. इसको इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में तुमको प्रकट करना है. 4 5 2 0 3 2 0. ये एक नंबर दिया हुआ है. इस नंबर को हम एक्सप्रेस करेंगे किसमें? इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में. कैसे एक्सप्रेस करेंगे? पहले इसको टेबल में कैसे इसको डालेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू टाइप इट. नंबर द गिवन नंबर इज 4 5 2 0 3 2 0. 3 2 0. You can write it as in 0 place as 0, in 10 place it is your 2, in 100 place it is your 3, in 1000 place it is your 0, in 10,000 place it is your 2, in 100,000 place it is your 5, and in million place it is your 4. 4 5 2 0 3 2 0. It is repeat. It is done in previous number. So you can take a new number, that is your 5 2 2 0 7 2 4. 5 2 2 5 2 2 0 7 2 4. 7 2 4. इस नंबर को भी हम अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पद्धति में कैसे एक्सप्रेस करेंगे ये हमें जानना है. In 0 place it is your 4, in 10 place it is your 2, in 100 place it is your 7, in 1000 place it is your 0, in 10,000 place it is your 2, in 100,000 place it is your 2, in million place it is your 5. तो इस तरह से हम नंबर को इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं। हाउ कैन यू एक्सप्रेस इट इन वर्ड में इसको कैसे हम एक्सप्रेस करते हैं? देयर इज ए क्वेश्चन 3 million 39 ये वर्ड में दिया हुआ है, इसको हमें नंबर में कैसे एक्सप्रेस करेंगे? 3 million 246,000 39 46,039 in 100 place it is 0. So it can be represented in number as 3246039. Thank you. So you can solve this exercise 2.4 easily. Thank you. बंद कीजिए, जब वहां से हट जाए तो बंद करो।